Hi guys, welcome back. This is still 6.1. It's actually sort of just a supplement. You're going to need a calculator, you're going to need your textbook, and you are going to need to remember how to do this. You're going to need the chart on page 69. We are going to go back and we're going to do conversions. These are actually rates. We are converting from one rate to another, and this is a good use of our conversion skills that we did back in chapter 2. So this first one, so again, get to this chart on page 69 and have your calculator handy. So they tell us that silver sells for $18 per ounce. That tells you your denominator is 1. So we have units, $18 to 1 ounce. What is this rate in dollars? Well, we already have dollars, so we don't have to change the dollars, but we need to go from ounces to grams. So we are going to find a conversion factor on page 69 that takes us hopefully directly from ounces to grams. And you'll see that there is an ounce to grams conversion in the very first column. So remember, the ounces are in the denominator, so they need to be in the numerator here to cancel. And our grams then go in the denominator. So I'm going to go look in the chart, and it says 1 ounce. So the 1 goes with the ounce is the same as 28.35 grams. So our ounces cancel. We are left with dollars in the numerator and grams in the denominator, which is what they're asking us to find. We just need to clean it up. And it's asking us for a unit rate, because it's saying dollars per 1 gram. So if we multiply straight across, we have 18 times 1, and the unit is dollars, and in the denominator we have 1 times 28.35, and it's grams. And that would be fine, except for they don't want us to have 28.35 grams. They want us to have 1 gram, a unit rate. So we have to hop on our calculator and take 18 and divide it by 28.35. And when you do that, you end up with approximately 63 cents per gram for 1 gram. Or you could write it 0.63 cents per gram. Remember? Is this coming back? I want to do one that's a double conversion, so I'm going to skip down to number 4. It's on the next page for me. And it is asking us to go from 100 yards in 3 seconds to meters per second. Oh, this isn't a, this is still a single conversion. All right, I'll do a double in a minute. So let's start with what we're given. We're given 100 yards in 3 seconds. Write both units. We are looking for a conversion factor. Oh, I know why this is a double conversion. Because we need to go from yards to meters. But if you look in this chart, there is not a conversion in this chart from yards to meters. But there's one from feet to meters. So I'm going to do an intermediate step here, and I'm going to go from yards to feet. So that ultimately, the next step, I'm going from feet to meters using the book. So I know that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. So the yards cancel, which is nice. And now I go pluck the conversion factor out of the book. And it says 1 foot, so the 1 goes with the feet, is the same as 0.3048 meters. So the feet cancel, and we're left with this to clean up. So if you multiply straight across, you get 100 times 3 times 0.3048, and those are meters. And in the denominator, we have 3 times 1, which is 3, and that unit is seconds. So if we clean this up and you actually do this multiplication for the numerator, you get 91.44 meters. So do that, satisfy yourself, over 3 seconds, and that's all well and good, except this needs to be a per rate. This needs to be how many meters in 1 second. So our final step is take that 91.44 and divide, and we get 30.48 meters per second. That's our answer. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll do more of these in class. I just want you to give a couple of these a try on your own using that chart on page 69, and then we'll come back and talk about them in class. Maybe do the first page. So you do 2, 3, 5, and 6. Thank you.